Hello everyone, this is Jhengchie and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I will share to you the supplies that I'm using in my tutorials and where to find them here in the Philippines. I know a lot of you are wanting to do K-pop merch but doesn't know where to find the materials. So I'm here to help you, and hopefully you can also do your own DIY merch, especially the photo cards that I know you've been wanting to do. Okay, so first off is the contact paper. A lot of my comments were, what is contact paper, where to find them, and I asked the stores. They don't know what that is. Actually, contact paper is a clear sticker that you overlay, and it's much more flexible than the acetate, so it's much more forgiving and easy to work with. Actually, I didn't find it as a contact paper. It was an accident that I came to this aisle and then I found out that it's actually it's an adhesive book cover, so you use that to cover your books just like a plastic cover. And this one, it's around 120 per pack of 10, and the size is 50 by 36 cm. So when I pertain to contact paper, it's actually adhesive book cover. So if you go to National Bookstore or to Office Warehouse, they usually have this, and they also have in the roll form. So I hope that answers a lot of questions. I received a comment before that they don't know where to find it in Indonesia or in Malaysia. I cannot tell you though, because I'm in the Philippines, but I hope you could find the adhesive book cover in one of your bookstores. Next is transparency. A lot were interested in my DIY transparent photo card and my transparent fan, and they don't know what acetate to use. Actually, what I've been using is transparency film or OHP film. Yep, there are actually 3 kinds. I have 2 kinds here. This one is the regular Capier. So it's here, regular Capier, and the reason why it's cheap because it's thinner and it's smooth, and they use it in the photocopying machine, laser. The second type is actually the laser, and it's around 40 or 50 pesos, much more expensive than the plain Capier. And the reason why it's special because it's used in laser printers. And the last and the most expensive one is the inkjet type, and the inkjet type is we use this for the regular inkjet printers. Okay, the difference between this one and this one is that you can print on it and it has a rougher side. Some ask me where to print. It's actually on the rough side. You insert the paper line side into the printer with the rough side up or in contact with the inkjet nozzle. I hope that solves the mystery of the acetate sheet. And there was once asking me if there are different grammage of the OHP, and I found that in National Bookstore there's only one grammage, but in Office Warehouse they have a thicker one, but it also is much more expensive. This is around 60 pesos. The thicker one would cost you around 120. That's thicker. Okay, that's one. And then for my DIY photo card, someone asked me if they could use index cards in the place of cardstock, and actually you can just use the unrolled one. This is much easier to find and cheaper compared to cardstock, but it is thinner compared to cardstock. But I've been using this in my DIY photo cards and it's been holding up well, so you can definitely use the cardstock. Okay, and the last two is for my DIY standee, the Chie standee. People ask me what foam board is and if they could use styrofoam board or styro blocks. Actually, foam board is like a denser styrofoam sandwich between two paper, and it comes in two colors, the white and the black one, and I got this from Office Warehouse. It's cheaper compared to the National Bookstore, and you can find it on their cartoon section. You can use this for candies, for coin bags, and anything that you need structure. This is very helpful, and it's lightweight. It's sturdy and it's light. So price wise, it's in the range of below 20 pesos per board. Cheaper. The white one is cheaper compared to the black one. Okay, and the last is in my magnetic bookmark. I use magnetic sheet, and you can use this one. It's around 150 pesos, and it's thick. It has a thickness of 0.5. That 0.3 mm thickness is way cheaper. It's around 100 pesos per sheet of 3. It's thinner, so you might have problems using that as a photo magnet. And it cuts fairly easily, and it's available both in National Bookstore and Office Warehouse. One more thing is, I get asked a lot about what do you call this, shrink plastic, and I always tell them that I do the DIY or the recycled plastic way because I can't find the shrink plastic sheets here. So the DIY, the recycled method is actually using the clam type container. So it usually looks like this one. It has the lid over, and what I do is I buy sheets and cut them and use this for my shrink plastics farms. And so that's that. If you're going to ask me where I buy my supplies, it's basically National Bookstore or Office Warehouse. The branch that I would really recommend would be the SM North branch because it's bigger and it has a lot more stuff they offer, including brands from the US, crafting supplies. Not all will be there, but at least they have the paints and the glosses. For the adhesive book cover, I usually go to National Bookstore, but for the foam board, I usually go to Office Warehouse. Index card, the unrolled one, anywhere. It's a bit cool. And if you can't find it in those two bookstores that are pretty much big names, you can try the department stores. Usually they have some items that you may not know but it exists. Okay, So that's it. If you have other questions, like what other stuff that you want to do, other groups that you want me to make, other tutorials that you want to learn, please do comment it, and I will try to provide them for you. And that's it. I hope you all have a great time watching my tutorials. I hope you understand them, and hopefully you find time in your busy schedule to try out these tutorials, because once you do, you'll get fulfilled and you would want to do other stuff, and it will somehow make you less frustrated with the merchandises that you wanted to buy but you couldn't. Okay, so I'll see you next time, and thank you for supporting my channel. Bye bye.